how to repair Facebook account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our Facebook account or Facebook app. And if your account is having problem and you need to repair it, the next thing that we need to do is to just go into our browser. So in this case, I'm using the Samsung Internet. So you could be using a different browser. It could be Brave, it could be Chrome, it could be Firefox, and so on. So all you have to do is to just go on the browser and then on the search bar, search for Facebook Help Center. And then after that, just click enter. And then on this part, just click the Help Center, which is right here. So just click that. And then once you click that, the next thing that we need to do is to click the Login, Recovery, and Security. So click that also. And then all you have to do is to just scroll down until you see this Recover Your Account. So just click that Recover Your Account. And then on this part, just click this Recover Your Facebook Account if you can't access your account, email address, or mobile phone number. So just click that also. And then after that, just click this facebook.com/hacked. So you will be redirected into another website. So just click next. And then after that, put your mobile number in this part, or you can search by email instead. And then once you do that, once you put that, they will send a verification code in order to verify that you own the account. And then after that, once they verify that you are in fact the owner of the account, they will now, of course, repair your account and you will now be able to use it again. So that is basically it. That is how to repair your Facebook account.